Welcome back. I'm Josh Denning, the Tropical Entrepreneur, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress with one click. So here we are inside the Bluehost cPanel. This is what it looks like inside your Bluehost account once you've signed up. So it looks like there's quite a bit in here. It's really not that much once you get your head around it, which won't take long. I recommend you click through and have a look at all these different things. You'll of course get email with your domain name where you can set it up through here, webmail, or I recommend you probably set up a Google Apps business account. But if you want to save some money, you can definitely just use webmail and add that to Outlook or something else, so that your email just forward it from here so that your email goes straight through to wherever you want it. You get a website manager. You've got this install WordPress, which is what we'll use to install WordPress in a second. It used to be called Fantastico, but now it goes through something else, which I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but you'll see it in a second. And then you've got a file manager here, which is just like FTP, to transfer files up and down, like images and pages and things like that, which you probably won't really use that much anymore because most of it can just be done from within inside your WordPress dashboard. And then here you've got your domain manager. I'll just quickly show you this, where you'll be able to see all of your different domains and things. Your first one, it'll be your primary domain. You can actually buy more domains from here as well. They're really cheap, for like $12 for the whole year. You search them, you just buy them. And another great thing with Bluehost is when you do that, your domains are instantly available and can be used immediately, which is really, really quite good. And then you see them all down here, and you can manage them from here and have them as add-ons or just have them as parked. These are some domains that I have in this particular account, including Tropical Entrepreneur, of course. So let's just go back to home, and I will show you how to install WordPress with one click. So let's just go through and click into here, install WordPress. Actually, well, let's just call it a few clicks. So that thing is called, the Mojo Marketplace is the new system that they have built in to install WordPress with one click. So you come through to this page, and there's other different scripts and themes and things in here that you can use as well. But here it just brings you straight to the WordPress software installation. You just click on a brand new install, just click start. And then here it'll show you all of your different domains and things. So I've created a subdomain to show you this, because I've actually already got WordPress installed on most of these, called wordpressinstalldemo.optimizationlab.com. And then you can add a directory if you wanted. Like, you could maybe say have it on a blog if you already had a website, but most of the time WordPress is going to be your entire website CMS now, not a separate directory anymore. So you just find your domain that you've purchased. If you've only just bought it, there's probably only one in here, which is whatever the domain you've chosen is for your business name. And then just click check domain. So it's checking the domain. It says this could take a couple of minutes, but usually it won't. So there you go, it's already done, quite quick. Now this says it looks like files already exist in that location. If you received some files may be overwritten. I don't really mind, because I'm not really even using Optimization Lab at the moment. So let's just do that anyway and go continue. Last step, you're almost there. Let's go show advanced options. I just want to quickly see what these are. So you can change your site name. So you'd probably, you'd want to make that whatever your name's going to be. Let's just call this WordPress install demo. Then it gives you an admin username and a password. You want to copy these down, which is quite important that you do that. Let's just go like that. Let's just go user. So the user, that's that's my password. Let's go pass, and then the user is Josh at smartroi.com. SmartROI, incidentally, is one of my digital marketing agencies. And then, so automatically create a new database for this installation. You want to leave that ticked as yes. And then you need to click I have read the terms and conditions of the GPL version 2. Don't worry about what that is. It's just don't worry about what that is. And then just click install now. And then you see up here, high five, your process is underway. browse the marketplace products while you wait. And it's just going through, okay, we're setting up WordPress for you. Step one, while we work our magic, why not take some time to upgrade the look of the boring website theme at $39? That's WooCommerce. It's not a bad offer for $39 to go through and look at some different themes. I'm going to show you, another theme option, which is more of a marketing theme called Optimized Press 2.0, which is great, especially if you're getting into information marketing. However, if you are looking at becoming a consultant or a digital marketing agency or a coach or, something like that, I do recommend you probably check out, Woo Themes or WooCommerce, and just also have a look around at what free themes are available. However, with that, it is going to be very difficult to find a free theme that's really up to scratch for what you want. However, for this kind of price, for $40, you can get incredible themes now built in HTML5, the videos in the background, and really nicely designed to be customized to do whatever you want, be it e-commerce or whatever else it is that you're doing, being a consultant or an agency or what have you. So there you go, high five. It looks like our install is complete. Let's just close this, click here, we'll click view credentials again. So again, you probably want to copy that down and just drop it onto your notes that you created before. Here you'll see there's some other different options down here. You don't really need any of these. Just you want to go from there through to have a look at your site. So let's see what it looks like in its raw form. So this is the latest version of WordPress in its raw form without any theme or anything added to it. It just looks like that. Welcome WordPress, and then let's go through and actually log in to WordPress and have a look what it looks like. Just grab my username there. Okay, let's make sure I've got the right password. Okay. Let's drop that in. So it's taking us through to the dashboard. I'm not going to save that now. And here we are. You can see it's got some different themes to what I showed you in the first video. But you can go through now and you can add posts, you can add pages, you can add everything like that. You can also, from directly inside WordPress, come down to Appearance and click Themes. And these are some themes that are already in here ready to use. Let's add, let's just change. So this is the 24 themes added right now. Let's just change it to the 2012 theme and see how different WordPress looks with the 2012 theme from what we saw before. So you see, just with the click of a button, it's just changed to this simple white kind of theme. So whilst it looks like at the moment, there's nothing here, what you've actually got now installed is a very powerful back-end CMS that can control your pages, your posts. You can add media, as I showed you before. You can add the plugins from here for SEO to also be able to create light boxes to capture opt-ins. You can even add things like, I'll just search through here and show you something called the shop plugin. And a shop plugin can turn WordPress into a full-blown e-commerce platform as well. So e-commerce shopping cart right there. There's actually another version of it, which is a paid shop. There's lots of them now, in fact. So anyway, that's how you install WordPress with one click from inside Bluehost using the Mojo Marketplace. As you can see, anyone could do that. It's just a few clicks. Just go through when you're ready to do it. Follow through the steps again in this video and you'll be fine. In the next few videos, we'll take you through and we'll show you some ways to build lead pages and opt-in pages really quickly and sales funnels. One way using lead pages, and we'll actually put them through to that WordPress demo site again, so you can see it's really just, again, a few clicks and a bit of time. And then we'll show you also Optimize Press, which is a full-blown marketing theme. It's very powerful software when combined with WordPress, and we'll show you how to use that. And then I'll run you through some information on Optimize Press Experts and how you could just spend a little bit of money, $500 to $600, maybe maximum $1,000, and have a fully customized version of WordPress that's very, very slick and will be designed exactly the right way to implement a customer value optimization process within your business. Right, I'm Josh Denning, the Tropical Entrepreneur. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you got a lot out of it, and we'll talk to you soon.